Hi, welcome to my Valentine's decoration. Please enjoy. So these are all my DIYs, guys, and I just arranged it all together for the Valentine's Day or for the Valentine's decoration. Okay, as you can see, as if you have seen my DIYs, you can see all of it now here. I mean, not all of it, but most of it. And this love sign, I made that a few days ago in some of my DIYs content. And all these flowers, this anthurium flowers actually is also DIY, guys, from my sister. And these are all the eggshells that I kept. As you know, I'm a rubbish collector. And this one is actually a container from a noodles. I just painted it and put some contact paper. And this one is from the potato chips. I painted it as well. I spray painted it. This tray is actually lid from a biscuit. Again, I just decorated it and put some legs on it. And that black flower vase is actually a top part of a bottle. I painted it in black. And this one is actually another container from I think it's a cereal container. So as you can see, guys, these are all rubbish that I turned into a very beautiful decorations. Okay, most of my flowers here are full flower, guys. I like flowers. I try to buy some flowers, fresh flowers sometimes once in a while, but you know, it's kind of pricey to keep on buying flowers. And this actually is a fence. I painted it into peach and I just hung it into the wall and I decorated it. And this one is another DIY long time ago. The flowers, that pink flowers there, is made of beads actually. And this love sign, I got it long time ago. I just keep it and I just hung it there. It's a part of decoration. And you know, guys, we don't like to make a hole into our wall, so I just use command strip to hang all my stuff. So I just use light stuff to hang stuff. Okay, this is a fence, guys, that is almost it's actually rotten. I just gave it a good wash and then I painted it, and there you go. It's a very nice decoration on my wall. And this also one of my project, as you know, if you've seen some of my DIYs content, this is a placemat and a flower base made of cardboard boxes and potato chips cans. And I just wrap it up with remember that mop cloth, and there you go. I had a nice decoration. But anyway, that's the wrap up, guys, of my decoration for Valentine's. See you again next time, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.